$1 million.
Another day at Supercar Sunday.
It came out, it was $750. Today, $1 million.
Alex brought this in. He's always got cool stuff. It's been coming to Supercar Sunday forever.
Like, I tried to turn on my phone and it was dead. I just don't want to plus one.
Which color? Same.
Oh, and I'm probably in the
front is kind of like McLaren.
By the way, I tried to talk. What makes you think that? No, this is the better Aventador. I'm convinced this is a better version of an Aventador. This is
Caution, high temperature. You've been warned. Another great day at Supercar Sunday. GT3 RS manual. Whoa, manual. 5.0 Coyote swap, 93 Cobra. How are you? Thanks for being here. Jay's car, another beautiful day. Our wonderful LAPD, great guys right there. Classic Chevys. See all these people, they're all having a great time. Tremendous sense of community. This is how we do it. Every type of car imaginable. Men and women, children, grandparents, the entire community comes out. That's why we do it. Another great day, Supercar Sunday.